We are live from the E-Kitchen today, y'all, and we are here to share our decor that we're going to utilize for our holiday season. This was my inspiration, this black and white buffalo check sign with the word joy, as well as this, I don't know what you would really call this. This is just kind of like a bell that you hang on your front door, so when someone comes in you can kind of hear the bells going off. So between these two items, they inspired us as far as what our decor would be this year. So we're working on several videos. We're going to be uploading those videos throughout the week, throughout the month, as we complete the projects. We picked up some picks from Walmart, from the Dollar Tree. We also picked up these ribbons from Roses. I don't know if you have a Roses near you, but they have a lot of cute stuff. The ribbon, the buffalo check, and the silver, as well as the blanket and this white mesh, all came from Walmart. We have some flowers. I'm not quite sure how we will be utilizing those, but I just picked up anything that really caught my eye or really fit into the black and white buffalo check glam decor. You'll see two white Christmas trees in the back. I'm going to make a centerpiece with that. So we just have quite a few items that we are going to work on, and I'm going to share with you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, hit that bell so you have the notification of when we upload, and we will see you guys in the next video.